Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you mix Vaseline with baby oil. It will make your skin youthful and glow naturally, and it's going to remove for you wrinkles and fine lines, and you will get rid of any kind of age marks, and will get your skin to look youthful naturally and very effectively. The first ingredient we need to prepare our remedy is 1 teaspoon of rice flour, يعني كتشافة الكبتة. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, then we need 1 lemon, and we need to add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and kini bukaras. To add 1 teaspoon of baby oil, and here I'm using Johnson baby oil. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, and mix the ingredients very well together. Store this cream paste for up to 1 week, and it's going to be good to use for 1 week, my friends. Apply it on your skin and leave it to dry out completely and go to sleep, and in the next morning you will notice a great results in your skin. It's going to be nourished and it's going to be glow naturally, and it will remove wrinkles and fine lines naturally, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.